Hello everyone, my name is Alfian. I am 9 years old. I am from Group B. I will tell you about Pangandaran. Welcome, welcome to welcome to welcome to Pangandaran. In Pangandaran, there are Pangandaran Beach, Batukas Beach, Batu Hill Beach, Marsai Beach, and Nature Conservation. Pangandaran Beach is beautiful. Activities in the beach are swimming, diving, and surfing. The special food is pindang gunung. Special drink is honjai juice. Enjoy your trip in Pangandaran. Thank you. Bye bye.